We are here to explain the household bot. All the members of our team are from SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Kalathur. I am Vedant Anand, first year student in BTech Mechatronics, specialization in robotics.
And I am Devjani Guhabiswas, first year BTech student from ECE, Electronics and Computer Engineering.
The initial task that we need to overcome is that our kitchen box, which has a mechanism for chopping different types of vegetables, needs to ensure that it can chop all different kinds of vegetables and fruits irrespective of their sizes, and it should allow us for an easy collection of these chopped vegetables and fruits. It should provide us with a mechanism which is easily mounted and is portable so that it can be used anywhere.
Exterior bot, an exterior design which can contain the interior kitchen box, a flexible arm to carry different kinds of household objects, vegetables and fruits, specially designed gripper to open the drawer and keep objects, a stabilizing mechanism so that containers containing liquid do not spill, transport mechanism designed to climb stairs and provide stability to chassis while crossing the obstacles.
To tackle the problems mentioned, we have devised an innovative system for cutting the vegetables and chopping them into the pieces we want. It can also be used for fruits as well. It's a portable system which can be taken anywhere, at the same time be mounted easily on any object. We have devised an exterior configurational setup which will help to transport and do delivery of fruits, vegetables or any household items. Also, a stabilizing mechanism is used so that no liquids are spilled.
This bot can be easily operated from rooms by using the camera installed on the bot. This becomes really useful for the older people to fetch their medicines or water or any other item from different floors and can assist them in the kitchen as well. Now moving to its working mechanism. The vegetable cutting mechanism consists of two linear activators, one to push the vegetable inside and another to operate the blade. It has two blades, one for cutting vegetable in different shapes and another for chopping the vegetable. There is one servo motor to move the blade one and two boxes, one to contain the vegetable and another small box to hold the chopped vegetables. One drawer slide is attached to the bottom of the small box so that the box can be easily pulled in and out. Now moving to its mechanism.
In this vegetable cutting machine, we can see there is a filter blade which can be used to select the sizes of the pieces we want. The linear actuator then pushes the vegetable, either be cucumber, carrot or anything else, through this blade, which shreds into pieces and gets collected in this box, which will later come out and we can collect the vegetables.
Talking of blade 2, the linear activator pushes the vegetable towards blade 2 and the smaller linear activator gives the blade a horizontal to and fro motion and the vegetable gets chopped. These two blades, blade 1 and 2, can be used together to get desired cut pieces of the vegetable. This whole vegetable cutting mechanism is then covered by a aluminium sheet metal box which is then attached to the chassis.
The vegetable chopping machine is made in such a way so that we can easily attach it to the chassis or any other device in that matter. The drawer is aligned just in front of the arm so that we can use the gripper, which is designed to carry vegetables, bottles and other household items. The tip of this gripper can be used to grab the handle of the drawer, which is then pulled to collect the chopped vegetables, and in a similar manner the drawer can be closed. A robotic arm is specially designed with two motors at its arm base so that it can control its yaw and pitch. There are another set of two motors which are attached to the link, which again give yaw motion as well as it gives rotational motion. And an actuator is placed along with the gripper to give the grabbing mechanism. The gripper frame contains a symmetric distribution which allows the actuation using a linear actuator for the grabbing mechanism.
Bottle holder is attached in front of vegetable cutting machine to carry bottles. It is made up of aluminum sheet and is attached to the chassis in such a way that no spill condition is created. Two rods are attached to the holder, which is attached to the chassis with ball bearing, so that when the robot crosses any obstacle or climbs stairs, the bottle holder aligns itself with the gravity and the liquid in the bottle does not spill. The placement of the bottle holder in the chassis is such that the gripper can easily place the bottle in it.
The transport mechanism contains double arc systems which are attached to each other, allowing up to angle deviations of 45 degrees. There is another structure which is attached in the front part of the arc, connected to the shock absorber to the chassis for balancing the chassis.
This transport mechanism enables the robot to cross any bump or obstacle in its path. It can easily descend or ascend stairs of height 20 cm with minimum jerk.
The price of entire kitchen box can be brought down to 10,000 rupees, and the rechargeable batteries helps for repeated use of the system, which can be very good as an option for anyone to buy. Thank you for your time. Hope you liked our project.